From the negative health effects to littered cigarette butts on streets, the impacts of tobacco use are felt by every level of government. That's what's led the City of Airdrie to pass a motion asking the Alberta Urban Municipalities Association to advocate to the provincial government. They want to see Alberta establish a 5% levy on all revenues collected in Alberta by major tobacco manufacturers and importers. An Airdrie councillor then reached out to see if Lloydminster would second the motion.
The work that has been done by the past councils around tobacco reduction and the licensing and supporting groups that were helping promote the reduction of use of smoking, it was important, and they saw that and they said, boy, Lloyd would be a great place to second that, because we've received awards from various organizations for the work that council has done in the past.
The funds collected from the levy would go towards support programs and strategies to reduce tobacco use in Alberta. The province currently collects $750 million annually from taxes on tobacco products, but the cost of tobacco use exceeds $1 billion each year. The new levy would apply a polluter pay principle similar to what energy and transportation companies may face.
If we can lessen smoking, because that's really what we're trying to do here, and help them cover some of the costs that are incurred, because as we heard today, it's not a cost recovery. It costs the province of Alberta more than that they receive in tobacco royalties and taxes collected. So that's one of the challenges that was brought up, and I think that's something that needs to be addressed at the provincial level. And all we're asking the province to do is look at it and do that.
While Lloydminster City Council passed the motion, some councillors believe the decision should be left solely to the province, as the city does not have jurisdiction to establish the levy. Mayor Albers believes it's important for municipalities to advocate to other levels of government.
It is for the greater community. Some of the things we do may not have the impact for our city that they might have for a town or a village, and that's part of working with the AUMA. It's for the greater good of the community. And when we think about it, there's a lot of people that live in urban settings. So with the work we do and the recommendations and items we support have a much greater involvement.
The motion will now move to the AUMA for a decision at a future meeting. For Primetime Local News, I'm Jace Mackey.